I have earned over $23 in just 10 minutes playing games and installing apps. If you're from the US, there are plenty of people making more than $300 monthly from this. And my subscriber Sohan from India has earned over $45 just today using this new earning app called FreeCash, a platform that's not only legit but has helped users around the world to earn real cash by completing simple tasks such as playing games, answering surveys, and installing apps. Another subscriber from the Philippines has earned over $20. Subscriber from Romania earned $19. Subscriber from Saudi Arabia earned over $6. Subscriber from Indonesia earned over $5. I will show you what other users have been earning with FreeCash, and will show you my live withdrawal proof from the app in just a few minutes, so stay tuned. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to freecash.com. I will leave a link to FreeCash in the description of this video and the pinned comment. FreeCash is one of the best and most legit online earning apps. They've paid over $60 million to their users and got over 4.6 star ratings on Trustpilot from over 74,000 users. FreeCash is available worldwide, and you can earn money from dozens of different countries around the world. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more relevant videos for you. I reviewed the FreeCash app a few months ago on this channel, and many of you actually tried it and made quite a bit of money. And today, I will reveal to you my secret way to make money online with this app, both in active income and in passive income. So the first thing you do is click on the sign up button right here, and a pop-up window will open. Just enter your email in this box, create a strong password, agree to the privacy policy by checking this box, and click on the sign up button to create your account on FreeCash. Or you can sign up directly using your Gmail or Steam account. This will be your dashboard, and here you can see all your notifications. Here you can claim your sign up bonus on FreeCash. You just need to press this claim now button, and a pop-up will open up. And as you can see, you can win anywhere from 5 cents up to a $250 sign up bonus. For this, you just need to enter a referral code in this box. If you don't have a referral code, you can just type free, or just use my code CashPro so I can get some extra cash and keep making videos for you. To collect your money, just click on the open case button right here. Watch as the amount spin, and you'll see that I have just earned an additional 5 cents in my brand new account on FreeCash. The cool thing is, if you earn just $1 in the next 48 hours, you will get 3 more free cases for a chance to win up to $250. And for now, my brand new account on freecash.com has been credited with an additional 5 cents. If you have an Android, you can just click the download our app at the top and install the FreeCash app on your device to earn an extra 150 coins, which are worth 15 cents, since every 1,000 FreeCash coins are equal to $1. Now to step number 2. Let's get to the nitty-gritty. To start earning money with games and installing apps, all you need to do is go to the FreeCash homepage and select the offers on the left-hand side. You can filter offers by category or just select all, and you'll be shown different games and apps you can install on your device to make money online. There are offers available for Android, iOS, and desktop devices. Just check the sign on the top right corner of each offer. That means you can use any device to make money online with FreeCash. You can just install the games and apps available for your device and earn money online installing them. For our future videos, please comment down below which device you use the most to make money online so that I can create more relevant content for you. As you can see, here you can find different games that you can play to earn money online, and different apps that you can get paid instantly for installing them, or different social media apps where you will be credited by just signing up to their platform. There are thousands of games and apps that you can install and earn money online with. As you can see, I am scrolling down on this page and the apps keep showing, so you will never run out of games or apps on FreeCash. Now, the offers and games that you will see on FreeCash will depend on the offers and apps that are available in your country, but you can make a good decent amount of money from almost everywhere in the world by installing apps and playing interesting games on FreeCash. So for example, here you can install TikTok app and get paid $8 for it. All you have to do is click on the offer, and a pop-up window will show up, and you can see all the details for this offer. So to earn the $8, you just need to install the app on your device, open and run it for 30 seconds. It's that easy. But keep in mind that sometimes it may take the offer provider up to 3 days to confirm your offer completion. So if you don't get credited instantly after you install the app, just wait for 2 to 3 days for it to be credited to your FreeCash account. You can see the device icon here, indicating that this offer is available for Apple devices. Therefore, you can log into your FreeCash account on your iPhone and install the app from there to earn money online. One of the most profitable way to make money online on FreeCash is that you can check out the deposit section of FreeCash. Let's see this offer from Acorns. You get $70 for making your first recurring deposit on the app. That's a pretty good deal, isn't it? Let's take a look at this other offer from Earnin. That's an app where you can get part of your salary in advance, and with FreeCash, you can earn $80 with your first cash out, which is quite a lot of money. Let's take a game example. Let's say you want to install the Grab a Toy game from here. If you click on the offer, you can see that you will earn 14 cents once you reach 100 meters. You will earn $18 once you reach the 1,000 meters. You will earn over $24 for completing 2,000 meters. And for completing 5,000 meters, you will be credited with $64. And in total, you can be credited with over $108 for playing this game, which is really amazing. To install it, all you have to do is to press this earn button on the bottom of this page, and that's going to show you a QR if you are using a PC device like me, to scan the code with your mobile device and install the game to your device to make money online. So just like this, you can install different games and apps to earn a good amount of money for playing those games and installing apps. But one important thing you need to keep in mind is that almost all of these apps and game offers are available for new users only. So I would suggest you to create a new account with a new Gmail or email account that you have never used before to make sure you get credited when you complete your offers. Now, step number 3, referrals. If you scroll down a little bit on an affiliate page, you will find the referral link that you can share with your friends on social media like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, and you can make a certain amount of commission every time they earn money on FreeCash, depending on your tier. The more referrals you get, the more money you can make. Just click on the copy link to copy it and share it with your friends to earn passive income with FreeCash. I want to show you some FreeCash users who have actually made a good amount of money using the app. Let me open the leaderboard where we we can see how much people are earning. Let's see this guy, Adam136420 from the US. He joined just 26 days ago, and he already made over $1,300. How insane is that? Now to TS Tanic 2023 from Australia, who joined Free Cash 7 months ago, has already made $273 in total, and $155 in this month only. Let's take a look at Jay from the Netherlands. He just joined Free Cash 20 days ago, and already has total earnings of $456 by completing 42 offers. And now, are you ready? This guy Josh has earned $3,000 just this month alone. That's quite an impressive amount of money there. Now I'm finally going to show you my live withdrawal proof from Free Cash. And for this, I have switched to my main account already. As you can see, I have $23 in my this account. And today, I will withdraw $10 out of this amount to show you the withdrawal process and withdrawal proof from Free Cash. So you can either click on your earnings, or you can press the cash out option from the left to withdraw it. On the cash out page, you can see the different payment options available here, such as PayPal, Stake, and bank transfer, and different cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, etc. You can also withdraw different gift cards, such as Amazon, Visa, Apple, Netflix, and the list goes on. You can even get different gaming skins. And there is a new option available, which is the Revolut option, where you can get $10 with your first cash out and no fees, which means that even when cashing out, you're making money with Free Cash. But I like PayPal the most, so I am going to select PayPal from there. A pop-up window will show up, showing you the different amounts that you can withdraw at a time from Free Cash. And because I want to withdraw $10, I will select the $10 option from there. Then I will just scroll down, and I will just click on the withdraw button to send the withdrawal request to Free Cash team, and I will be credited to my PayPal within 5 business days. So let's wait for it. And as you can see, I have received the $10 from Free Cash in my PayPal account. Let me refresh this page for you so you don't think this is some kind of screenshot or something like that. And as you can see again, I have been credited with $10 in my PayPal by Free Cash. Once again, the link for Free Cash will be in the description of this video and the pinned comment. And if you want me to show any of my subscribers who have already withdrawn money from Free Cash, then help me get 4,000 likes on this video. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.